Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Friday, the 13th of February 2015. And during yesterday's session, you can see the pre-market was a bit more volatile, certainly beforehand. Of course, there was some economic news items out at 1:30, which forced the markets down to the 17,900 level there. You can see the market bouncing off in this area. And then at 2:30, the market opened and gave a potential sell signal, which saw the market move low initially. But then you can see how the market was brought back. If you look at this bar here that follows the professional selling bar, the volume is more or less as great as the previous bar, the professional selling bar, but prices moved back towards the 17,900 level. Also, just as a tip for you, when you look at these professional selling bars, if you see the market coming off the low like this, there's a good indication that there's already some buying in the market, and that's precisely what we're actually seeing here. And then it's confirmed by the bar that follows, and then of course you've got the bar, the third bar of the session, also confirming this as well. We then get a buy signal, and the market's driven back above the 17,900 level and trades all the way up to the scalp, heading towards the 17,950 level, of which the market didn't quite make it. But then you see prices attempting to come back this high, stopping the market from moving higher, and prices moving all the way back down. So on this trade, just giving above the maximum of 20 something pips here. Let me just have a quick look. Up to 26 points on this trade. It's a shame we didn't get up to the 17,950 level, although the market was intending and trying to do that. As you'll see here, the selling coming into the market as prices came off the high, but then the market holding around the entry price before moving lower, but sitting at the scalp level there for 2 bars before moving lower. Again, later on in the session, early evening, we get a potential sell signal there. We see the market moving low. And again, this reverses with the market coming straight back. The market obviously wanted to go up during yesterday's session, and we see the market reversing and prices moving up, this time to the 950 level, which is also the 20-point scalp. So a good 20 points profit on that. And then before the end of the session, we get another one that trades just up towards the scalp area there. And of course, this is getting late in the session, so if you had a profit at this point, then it would have been a good idea to take it. This last signal is at 20:30. It's getting close towards the end of the session, so it's something that you really don't want to be doing, is getting into a trade late on. And the reason for this, as I've said many times before, is the spread widens at 9 p.m. and also goes on to the electronic session, which you can see here. You can see the effects of the electronic session. You don't want to be in on that one unless you're trading in a bigger time frame other than a 5-minute. In the daily chart, you can see the market, yesterday's indecision. You've got a telegraph pole, the market opening, trading lower, then coming back up. And the effect of this is the market heading back towards the 18,105, and that's where we are heading for. I make no bones about that, which is why in the 5-minute chart we've seen the short trades fail, because this market is bullish. It's a Ponzi scheme, and it is being taken back to the all-time highs. On the news front today, let's have a look, see what we've got. Prelim consumer sentiment. This is out at 3 p.m. High impact news item, but it's forecast to come out the same as the previous, so there shouldn't be too much volatility if the figures come out as forecast, which is based on the previous. Any variation from this could see a bit more volatility though. And finally, in the implied volatility, let's just have a quick look. This dropping from 13.95 to 13.08 during Thursday's trading session. You can see this in the chart here as prices have dropped sharply there. Right, that's it for me for today, and also for this week. I will see you in Monday's edition of the Market Alert. Things are getting back to normal, which is good news. So I shall see you on Monday morning. Have a great weekend. As ever, thank you for your support, very much appreciated. And as ever, thanks for watching.